How to register a Trust Wallet and start earning. Go to the Trust Wallet website, https://trustwallet.com. Important: do not visit suspicious or untrustworthy websites. The link to the official Trust Wallet website will be in the description of this video. On the main page, click Download Extension and choose your browser. In our case, it's Google Chrome. A new tab will open. The Chrome Web Store next. Click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. After that, the extension will begin installing in your browser. Once the extension is installed, you'll be able to start using the wallet. Open the extension. On the first step, you'll be asked to choose a sign-in method. You can either choose Create New Wallet or connect an existing one. Let's create a new wallet. Agree to the terms of use and click Create a New Wallet. Then you'll need to create a strong password. The wallet is created and ready to use. Click Open My Wallet. Now you're inside the wallet. At the top of the screen, you'll see a notification, Back up your secret phrase. Important: the seed phrase is your access to the wallet. Be sure to save your seed phrase before making your first transaction. Do not store the seed phrase digitally. Write it down on paper. Never show your seed phrase to anyone. Click on the notification banner to go to the page. Back up your secret phrase. Click Show. To view the phrase, you'll need to enter the password you created earlier. Enter the password, and your secret phrase is displayed. Write it down on paper and store it safely after finishing the registration. On the next step, you'll need to confirm your secret phrase and enter the words in the same order as they appeared in the previous step. Recreate the correct word order, click Next, and that's it. Congratulations! Your wallet is securely protected and ready to use. By default, your wallet will display some popular cryptocurrencies. You can change the tokens shown in your wallet at any time. Let's find and add the LTS token. It's important to pay attention to the network in which you're searching for tokens. Choose BNB Smart Chain. In the search bar, type the token name, LTS, and enable it. Done. If you already have your own wallet and want to connect it to the extension, then at the first step, select I already have a wallet and follow the steps to connect your existing wallet.